we'll learn how to graph the linear equation y equals x plus 5. Let's start by writing our equation. To graph this line, we'll use a table of values method. Let's create a table and choose some x values. We'll use x values from -2 to +2 to get a good view of our line. Let's fill in our y values by substituting each x value into our equation. When x is -2, y equals -2 plus 5, which is 3. When x is -1, y equals -1 plus 5, which is 4. When x is 0, y equals 0 plus 5, which is 5. When x is 1, y equals 1 plus 5, which is 6. And when x is 2, y equals 2 plus 5, which is 7. Now let's create our coordinate system and plot these points. We'll make our axes large enough to show all our points. Let's plot each point from our table. First, the point -2, 3. Next, -1, 4. Then 0, 5, 1, 6. And finally, 2, 7. Now that we have our points plotted, we can see they form a straight line. Let's connect these points. Let's identify some key features of this line. The slope of the line is 1, which means for every 1 unit we move right, we move up 1 unit. The y-intercept is 5, which is where the line crosses the y-axis. This matches the plus 5 in our equation. This equation, y equals x plus 5, is in slope-intercept form, where the slope is 1 and the y-intercept is 5. Remember, any linear equation will always graph as a straight line. To summarize, we graphed y equals x plus 5 by creating a table of values, plotting points, and connecting them to form a straight line. We also identified the slope and y-intercept from both the equation and the graph.